Well, we recently had a customer send us one of our bags back, and it's a great opportunity to show you what's inside the 10-pound manure-based all-in-one super grow bag from fullsendorganics.com. It's also a perfect time because I'm going to be putting it into my garden to help everything survive and thrive, creating a sustainable environment and going full circle in the process. Here we go. Now, here's what the current garden looks like. We can see actually all of this white stuff is perlite. As we zoom in closer, we can see vermiculite and gypsum from our monotub mashup kits. Those are the 15-pound kits. I've got clones in here, carrots, a bunch of grow bags, and it just rained. So it's a perfect time to break everything up and continue. Now, all we're gonna need for this last step is a pair of scissors to chop the top. Let's go ahead and break it down. The bag starts with infused rye berries. That's what we have right here on the bottom, which are fully hydrated, sterilized, and ready to rock. We infuse them with sulfates and nitrates during the preparation process. This enhances stabilization, it supports the growth process, and it extends the longevity of the grains themselves. Next, we have our two favorite layers, our premium pasteurized and fully hydrated straw and manure mixture, which we call Manure Super Mix. Every ingredient is locally sourced and handmade with care. All the features, like the 5-micron filter patch, the self-healing inoculation port, are standard on these bags, making them great, especially with the start to finish instructions, and every single product description has a video. So whether you're a reader or you're a visual learner, we've got you covered. Whether you're cultivating fungi or enriching your garden, this bag is designed to be impressive, fast, easy, and leave you with great results, supporting a sustainable lifestyle. Don't forget the break and shake.
fullsendorganics.com